Today we are looking at one of the most incredible artistic tributes to the Volkswagen Beetle ever created. But first, let's start with a trivia question about the sheer scale of this project. The Vauxhall is a famous museum piece Beetle covered entirely in glass beads by indigenous Mexican artisans. Approximately how many beads were used to cover the car? Was it A, 500,000, B, 1 million, C, 2.2 million, D, 5 million? If you answered C, 2.2 million, you are correct. This isn't just a car, it is a rolling sculpture covered in over 2 million individual glass beads, placed by hand, one by one. It is a breathtaking fusion of modern automotive engineering and ancient indigenous tradition. This is the story of the Vauxhall. The name Vauxhall is a clever portmanteau. It combines Vocho, the popular Mexican nickname for the Volkswagen Beetle, and Huichol, the name of the indigenous people of Mexico's Sierra Madre Mountains, who are famous for their intricate beadwork. The project was conceived in 2010 by a coalition of public and private organizations in Mexico. The goal was simple but ambitious: to create a piece of folk art for the 21st century. They wanted to take the most iconic modern object in Mexico and transform it using the sacred centuries-old techniques of the Huichol people, who refer to themselves as Wixárika. To achieve this, they acquired a 1990 Volkswagen Beetle, but they didn't just hand it over to a shop. They recruited 8 master artisans from 2 prominent Huichol families to turn this German-designed, Mexican-built machine into a spiritual canvas. The creation of the Vauxhall was a monumental task of patience and precision. The artisans couldn't just glue beads to the metal. First, the entire body of the car, as well as the interior parts like the dashboard, steering wheel, and seats, had to be meticulously prepared. The traditional Huichol method involves spreading a layer of special beeswax or resin over the surface. In the past, this was used to decorate gourds or jaguar heads. For the car, they used a modern industrial resin capable of withstanding heat up to 200 degrees Celsius, ensuring the artwork wouldn't melt in the sun. Once the resin was applied, the artisans placed each glass bead by hand, pressing it into the adhesive. There was no machine involved. They covered every square inch of the vehicle. The team worked for 7 months straight, clocking a combined total of over 9,000 hours of labor. They used beads of every color: blue, yellow, green, red, and orange, to create a vibrant, textured skin that completely hid the car's original paint. The sheer weight of the glass beads and the resin added nearly 200 pounds to the car, a testament to the density of the artwork. The Vauxhall isn't just colorful, it's a story. Every pattern and symbol on the car has a deep spiritual meaning in the Huichol worldview. The artisans didn't work from a blueprint, they followed their instincts and traditions, letting the design flow organically across the curves of the Beetle. On the hood, 2 large snakes rise above clouds, representing rain and fertility. The side fenders feature deer, which are sacred messengers of the gods in Huichol culture. The roof displays a large sun and 4 eagles, symbolizing the union between man and the gods and the 4 cardinal directions. Even the smallest details were considered. The running boards, the side mirrors, and the rims of the wheels are intricately patterned. The phrase 200 years of independence and 100 years of the Mexican Revolution are written in the Wixárika language on the front fenders, marking the centennial anniversaries that the project was built to celebrate. The car became a traveling history book, telling the story of a people through millions of tiny glass pixels. When the Vauxhall was unveiled in late 2010, it was an immediate sensation. It was a stunning visual object that transcended the automotive world. It wasn't just a customized car, it was a masterpiece of contemporary art. The Vauxhall didn't stay in a garage, it went on a world tour. It was displayed at the Smithsonian in Washington, D.C., at museums in Paris and Berlin, and at art galleries across the globe. Everywhere it went, it drew crowds who marveled at the impossible level of detail. It served as an ambassador for Mexican culture, showing the world that the traditions of the Huichol people were not stuck in the past, but were vibrant, living, and capable of transforming even the most industrial objects. The Vauxhall currently resides in the Museo de Arte Popular in Mexico City, but its legacy reaches far beyond those walls. It is the ultimate expression of how the Volkswagen Beetle became more than just a car in Mexico. It became a part of the cultural fabric, a canvas for expression. By covering a mass-produced machine in the painstaking individual handiwork of indigenous artisans, the Vauxhall reclaimed the technology. It remains the most elaborate, colorful, and soulful Beetle ever built, a 2.2 million bead tribute to the meeting of 2 worlds.